Say hi to my people.
Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hilda Anyango, and today will be what is this called?
Sijui.
Okay.
We are doing some nature walk.
Yes.
Or something.
At Ololua Karen, and this is my best friend.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi people.
Welcome to the vlog.
Thank you.
Remind them to subscribe.
Make sure you watch, like, subscribe, comment,
Watch
and
till
share.
the end. Thank you all so much for all those who have subscribed. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so before the end of this video. Thank you. There is no planet B. And remember, cool people recycle. This was long overdue. I really needed a timeout. This semester has been the longest and probably one of the toughest semesters for me. Not necessarily about academics, but there was just so much happening. It was hard to keep up, if I must say. So yeah, today I'm here with my bestie. Hi.
Hello. The semester has
Yes.
not been fun. And math is not a subject you want to joke around with.
Well, I've never been a
promise.
fan of math. I do know math. I'm just not a fan. Like, no.
Let me tell you, when I took the subject, statistics, I said, I got A in math. I can do this. And now I'm just rethinking all my life choices, and
Of course. Oh no.
this is stressful. I can't.
Can never be me. I'm not a fan of math. I do know math, but I don't have to do it. I don't.
Okay, you don't have to.
I am in 3.1. And when we were starting this semester, university wanted to do away with some of the specializations like broadcast and print journalism. And I really wanted to do broadcast journalism, so it was like hard for me to decide on what else I could do. So yeah, that is what I wanted to do ever since I was in 1.1. I wanted to do broadcast journalism. That's why I was actually okay with journalism. So when they said they are going to do away with broadcast and print journalism, I didn't feel it like it's what I wanted to do anymore. Luckily for me, they didn't do away with it. So yeah, you may be seeing me on TV real soon.
Yes.
Your prayers are much appreciated. There is a bridge here. I don't know how old it is. And again with the river. I don't know if this is this a river? You're the geographer here. Is this
It's a river.
okay? She says it's a river.
So it's a river.
So it's a river.
Yeah, I love geography. I love trying.
But then I actually thought you'd do something related to geography. Yeah.
Okay. Tusianguke.
Actually, I can fall. And by the way, it's not very slippery, but because it's rained, the ground is not perfect, if I must say. Yeah.
At least it's not dusty.
Yeah.
Oof.
But do you prefer mud or dust?
God, no.
None of them.
Neither.
It's to make ropes.
Yeah. Baskets.
I think I used to see some next to my home. I'm not sure if it's the same though. I'm not really that huge on plants. We could be lost. That is true, we could be lost. I'm not sure of the way. But we're just going. Nothing but vibes. I know. Okay, at least we are closer to the river. Though I'm not sure. I'm not sure of this way. Hey guys. So we got lost for real. And then we had to go back. We used another route that took us back to where we were, unfortunately. But now we are here at the cave, and I'll give you a little cave tour. Unless there is an animal inside. Inside. Yeah, that is the cave. Can you see it? Yeah.
Welcome to the cave. Yeah, I am. Can you smell it? Yeah, I can feel the smell. It has a weird smell. And I'm scared of caves, so I hope you can see that is the cave, and I'm not going any further than this because I love my life. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe. Like this video. Oh no, there's an animal. I'm not doing this.
As you have seen, I love my life, and I am not risking it for the cave. Who knows who lives there? Like, how do I know? But I watched this video, not a video. I watched this movie. It's called Time Trap. So these they were, I think, around 5 teenagers. They go inside this cave, and then this cave is like, when you go inside it, it's like time moves slower, so you don't age. And that is what I was thinking about while going inside. Like, what if I get stuck inside? And then by the time you're coming out, like, everyone else is grown, and then we are like still young. Yeah, so yeah, I love my life, and I'm not risking it for that cave. But I hope you've seen how it looks like. I'm sure it's even deeper. Like, it goes further and further, but well, you have to come here to see it for yourself, because me, I love my life. I don't remember these stairs being this bad. I don't recall it being this bad. Huh? The rain? Maybe. But this is too bad.
Finally. Oh, still have a long way to go.
Yeah. Can you hear me? Because, yeah, that's the sound of the waterfall. We have just gotten to the waterfall. Hi. We are finally here.
Finally.
At the waterfall. Wait till you see this. It's amazing. Yeah, this is like, I think it's supposed to be like a bird watching spot, but I think it's so old and worn out. I'm not sure if people are allowed there. Hey guys, so we are done with the nature walk and I am very tired. And she's tired too.
I'm dying.
So we'll just rest for a while, then head back. Yeah. Remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and like. I actually love traveling. Like that feeling of just being on the road. Yeah.